I want to help you make money online. Seriously, listen. I want to help you make money online. Seriously, I want to help you set up an online income stream that allows you to do what you want to do in life, travel where you want to travel, and just have that freedom that you might be searching for. I want to help you figure out how to make money. And that's honestly been my online identity for the last 3 years or so. I've been spending my time mostly making YouTube videos to share whatever knowledge or experience I have when it comes to sales, professional development, personal development, making money online, whatever. And for the most part, it's been really helping people. I mean, comment below if you disagree and we can duke it out in the comments. But yeah, people have been telling me that it's been helpful. So now the big question you're probably wondering is, what is this video about? Well, part of it's about me doing a better job helping you develop into a money-making online superstar, as well as enabling you to do a better job actually taking advantage and benefiting from the stuff I put out for you. I create a lot of videos, but I also do a whole bunch of other stuff that you might not even know about. Also, I've been making videos for a few years now. There's hundreds of them, so there might be videos that you've never even seen or heard about that might be pretty helpful for you. So one of my goals in this video is to put everything on the table for you, giving you the full rundown of all the stuff I've been working on so you can decide whether any of it might be helpful for you. So the first thing you might be interested in that you might not already know about is to know that I actually run a 100% free to join Discord server for side hustlers. No Patreon, no channel membership, no monthly fee. This is 100% free. This Discord server is a place for you to get help on your side hustle from other people and me. There's a whole bunch of different channels that focus on different skill sets, and I try to be as active as possible, responding myself to a lot of the questions people ask. But also, some other members in the community have been getting really active and lending a hand and helping each other. It's been pretty cool. The server's at about 550 members so far. Pretty cool. It's growing every day. And if you feel that you would benefit from a stronger community versus what you get just commenting in the YouTube comment section, you should consider checking it out. There'll be a link in the description of this video. Next, obviously, if you're a more visual learner, our videos. And FYI, I put out content on other channels, not just this one. On this channel, the two main topics I try to cover most are freelancing on Fiverr and copywriting. So far, there are about 300 videos on this channel, and I know that's a lot, so I've tried to categorize them using playlists. So if you haven't already checked out the playlist tab on this channel, it could save you a lot of time when it comes to finding a video that'll specifically help you figure out how to make money online based on what you're working on. But lately, I created a newer channel and have been posting on there as well. The channel's called ISO 160. ISO 160 is all about creative entrepreneurship, making money on YouTube and photography. So if that path, the creative entrepreneurship path is something you'd like to explore on top of your freelance business or instead of your freelance business, you should check it out. I'll be posting videos on ISO 160's channel once a week. Now, if you're more of a reader, I also run a free monthly newsletter. The topics I cover in this newsletter are a little bit broader than the topics I'll explore in my two YouTube channels, but mainly the topics I'm writing about are things to do with personal development, making money, or other world events. Right now, it's just a once-a-month newsletter, but if you're a reader and you prefer to consume content in that format, I put out this newsletter once a month. It's totally free, like everything else, to sign up for through my website, thenardiblog.com. So here's a quick summary of what I've mentioned so far in this video that might be able to help you take things to the next level when it comes to making money online with a side hustle. I've got my Discord server. It's totally free and a great community to get help from other people. I've got this YouTube channel where I talk about making money freelancing on Fiverr, as well as copywriting. I have ISO 160, which I've recently created, which focuses on creative entrepreneurship, making money on YouTube, and photography. And I also have my monthly newsletter, which is just a great way to get information for free, straight to your inbox on a bunch of the different things that I'm focused on that you might be interested in as well. So these are pretty much the core areas or platforms that I'm pushing out content on a regular basis for you guys. Other than that, I am also trying to be more active on Twitter as a more direct way to communicate with all of you as well as other influencers out there. But also, it's important to mention that I'm always open to exploring new topics, new formats, new mediums, new platforms that you think might be helpful in your development. I'm here and I'm trying my best to help put out content that will actually help a lot of you make money online. So if you have any suggestions or you think certain channels are lacking, or you have a content idea or a video idea or a post idea that you'd like me to explore, leave it in the comments section and I promise you I will consider it and add it to my list of content ideas. So that's it for this video. I hope this was helpful in just shedding some light on some of the free resources I'm putting out that you might be able to take advantage of. So thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and until next time, cheers.